Are you struggling with the challenge of building a durable and efficient storage solution? Have you found conventional sheds lacking in strength and insulation? Introducing PUF Panel Shed Construction, the innovative solution to all your storage woes. Our specialized sheds are crafted with high-quality polyurethane insulated panels, ensuring superior insulation and weather resistance. This means your items stay protected from temperature fluctuations, moisture and pests, giving you peace of mind no matter the season. Whether you're looking for a secure place to store tools, equipment, or even creating a dedicated workspace, PUF Panel Sheds offer the perfect blend of durability and functionality. They are easy to assemble, customizable to fit your specific needs, and built to last. Unlike traditional wooden or metal sheds, our panels deliver excellent energy efficiency, helping you save money in the long run. Moreover, our PUF Panel Sheds require minimal maintenance, allowing you to focus on what truly matters without the constant worry of repairs or upkeep. Contact us today to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.